Today I will talk about the story of the Captain Cool. Name is MS Dhoni. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The boy from Ranchi. Before the world called him Captain Cool, before the helicopter flew in stadiums, before India lifted the World Cup in 2011, there was just a simple boy from Ranchi. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was born on 7th July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand, then Bihar. His father Pan Singh worked in Mekon and his mother Devki Devi was a homemaker. They were simple middle class people with simple dreams. No cricket background, no rich connections, no powerful support, just dreams. The goalkeeper who became a wicketkeeper. Believe it or not, Dhoni didn't start as a cricketer, he loved football. He was actually a goalkeeper for his school team. One day, the school cricket team needed a wicketkeeper. The sport teacher noticed his quick reflexes as a goalkeeper and asked him to try wicketkeeping. That one decision changed India cricket forever. Sometimes life doesn't ask you what you want, it shows you what you are capable for. Early struggles. Dhoni started playing local cricket in Ranchi. Facilities were limited, exposure was limited, opportunities were limited, but his determination unlimited. He played for Bihar under 19 team, later for Jharkhand in domestic cricket. But here's something important. He was not an overnight success for years. He played in small grounds for years. Nobody knew his name for years. He waited. Success was taking time, but Dhoni was building patience. The railway ticket collector in 21 in 2001, Dhoni got a job as a traveling ticket examiner (TTE) at Kharagpur railway station. Yes, the future World Cup winning captain. Once checked railway tickets, he used to work long shifts, sometimes night duty, sometimes tired, but even after work, he practiced cricket. This phases teaches us something powerful. Your current situation does not decide your future position. Dhoni didn't complain, he prepared. The big break, India A Tour. In 2003-4, Dhoni got selected for India A Tour to Kenya and Zimbabwe. And this was his explosion moment. He smashed centuries against strong bowling attack. Selectors noticed something different. Long hair, fearless batting, power hitting, confidence. He was not playing a newcomer. He was playing like a future star. International debut. International debut. Debuts a tough start. Dhoni made his ODI debut in 2004 against Bangladesh. Guys, what happened? He got run out for zero. A duck. Most people would feel broken, but Dhoni, he staying calm because champions are not defined by their first failure. 148 against Pakistan, the rival. In 2005 against Pakistan in Visakhapatnam. Patna, Dhoni scored 148 runs, aggressive, fearless, explosive. The world saw a new kind of India batsman. Then came 183 against Sri Lanka, one of the greatest ODI innings ever. Now everyone knew MS Dhoni is not ordinary. This is just the beginning. Next part. This is just the beginning. 2000 World Cup win, becoming captain, his leadership style, 2011 World Cup 6, IPL success with CSK, failure and comeback, retirement legacy, lessons. So we must learn from MS Dhoni. The story. The captain who changes India cricket forever. 2007. Indian cricket was going through one of its darkest phases. India had just crashed out of the 2007 ODI World Cup in the group stage. The nation was angry. Fans were heartbroken. Senior players were criticized heavily. The dressing room atmosphere was heavy. The team needed a fresh start. And that's when something unexpected happened. The BCCI announced a young, long hair, 26-year years old wicketkeeper batsman as a captain for the first ever ICC T20 World Cup in South Africa. His name Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Many people were surprised. He wasn't the most senior player, he wasn't the loudest, he wasn't the most experienced, but he had was calmless. 2007 T20 World Cup, a gamble that changed history. The tournament began quietly. India was not even considered a favorite, but Dhoni had something different in mind. He trusted young players Rohit Sharma, Yuvraj Singh, Gautam Gambhir, Shri Sant, RP Singh. He gave them freedom. No pressure, no fear, just belief. Yuvraj Singh 6 sixes, confidence rising against England. Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes and over. The world noticed India again. But Dhoni didn't over celebrate. He stayed composed because leaders think about the next challenge, not the last victory. The final, the most nerve wracking decision, India vs Pakistan World Cup final. Stadium pack, tension at its peak. Last over, Pakistan needed 13 runs. Experienced bowlers were available, but Dhoni gave the ball to Joginder Sharma, a relatively inexperienced bowler. Everyone was shocked. Why take such a risk? Because Dhoni trusted instinct more than reputation. Last ball, Misbah attempted a scoop shot. Shrishant took the catch. India won. The young captain lifted the trophy, and at moment a new era of India cricket began. Dhoni becomes full-time captain after the T20 success. Dhoni was appointed captain in ODI format 2007, Test format 2008. Now the responsibility was huge. India wasn't just rebuilding. India was aiming to dominate, and Dhoni believed in one thing: process over pressure. Captain Cool, the mindset. What made Dhoni different? He didn't show panic. Match going bad, calm face, close finish, calm face, huge pressure, calm face. His body language gave confidence to the team. When the captain is relaxed, the team breathes easier. Test cricket number one in the world. Under Dhoni leadership, India achieved something historic. In 2009, India became the number one test team in the world for the first time. This wasn't luck. This wasn't luck. This was strategy. Smart field placements, backing bowlers, rotating player intelligently, protecting team environment. Dhoni understood that cricket is not just skill, it's physiology. Backing players during bad phases. One of India, one of Dhoni's greatest qualities was supporting players during tough time. When Rohit Sharma struggled early in his career, Dhoni backing. When Virat Kohli was new, Dhoni trusted him in crucial matches. When bowlers leak run, he didn't shout. He believed if you trust someone in their worst phases, they will give you the best phase. That is leadership. Building a legacy with CSK. In 2008, the IPL started. Dhoni was bought by Chennai Super Kings from the beginning. He built something special, not just a team, a family. He trusted experienced player, he stayed loyal, he focused on long-term success, and result came. Multiple IPL trophies, consistent playoff appearance, one of the most successful franchise ever. Fans started call him Thala, the leader, the decision maker. Dhoni had a unique style. He didn't follow textbook, promoting himself in better order, using part-time bowlers at crucial moment, finishing matches calmly. He believed in reading the situation, not following noise. That's why he was different. The 2011 World Cup, a hint of destiny. By 2011, the pressure was huge. India hadn't won an ODI World Cup since 1983. The entire nation wanted this trophy. Sachin Tendulkar last World Cup, home tournament, massive expectation, and in the final, Dhoni did something unforgettable. That legendary six deserved its own full part. What we learned from this phase, from 2007 to 11, Dhoni taught us age doesn't define leadership. Calmness is more powerful than aggression. Trust creates champions. Pressure is handled in the mind first. Real leaders shine in crisis. The 2011 World Cup final, the sixth at a United Nation. Failure in overseas tour, comebacks, the man beyond the captain. The sixth that united a nation 2011 World Cup beyond. A 2th of April, 2nd of April 2011, Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. The entire nation was holding its breath. India versus Sri Lanka, ICC Cricket World Cup final. 20 years of waiting, millions praising, millions praying. This wasn't just a match, it was emotion, it was history waiting to be rewritten. The pressure before the storm. India entered the tournament with a huge expectation. Sachin Tendulkar playing his last World Cup. Tournament happening in India. A strong team full of match winners. But pressure enormous. Every match felt like a final. Dhoni as a captain had to manage just the team but the emotion of billions people. The final begins a shaky start. Sri Lanka batted first and scored 274 runs. Mahila Jayawardena play a beautiful century, target 275. Not easy in a World Cup final. When India started chasing, disaster struck early. Sehwag out for 0. Sachin Tendulkar out for 18. The stadium went silent. Dream looked fragile. India was 31 for 2. Pressure at its peak. The boldest decision. Usually Yuvraj Singh would come in next. He was in brilliant form. But Dhoni did something unexpected. He promoted himself. Why? Because Sri Lanka had off spinner Muthia Muralidharan. Dhoni had played with a Murli in CSK. He understood him well. This was not ego, this was strategy. A true leader step ups when the situation demands it. The partnership that changed everything. Dhoni and Gautam Gambhir built the innings slowly. No panic, no unnecessary risk, just calm calculation. Gambhir played a heroic knock of 97. Dhoni anchored the inning beautifully. He didn't play flashy shots. He built momentum. That is the difference between a finisher and a showman. The moment the iconic 49th over, India needed 4 runs. Nuwan Kulasekara ball. Dhoni step out, swung his bat with that famous helicopter shot. The ball sailed into the night sky and then it crossed the boundary 6. Dhoni finishes off in style. Ravi Shastri, iconic commentary. India won the World Cup. After 28 years, Dhoni remained unbeaten on 91 in the final. He didn't screw wildly. He didn't overreact. Just a calm smile. A raised bat. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Records and legacy. With this win, Dhoni became the only captain to win 2007 T20 World Cup, 2011 ODI World Cup, 2013 Champions Trophy. No other captain in history has achieved this. He didn't just win trophies, he built an era. The calmness under extreme pressure. What made this inning legendary wasn't just six, it was his composure. Whole nation watching, World Cup final, high expectation, but this heart rate never showed panic. This is why he called a captain cool, the tough year after glory. But life is not always victory. After 2011, India team faced challenges. 2011 12 Test race whitewash in England 0-4. 2011 to 12 Test series whitewash in Australia 0-4. Criticism started. People questioned his captaincy. Media pressure increased. But Dhoni didn't respond with anger. He responded with silence and performance. True strength doesn't argue. It proves. 2013 Champions Trophy redemption. In England, India won the 2013 Champions Trophy under Dhoni. Another ICC trophy. Critics went silent. Once again, he showed fall quietly, rise loudly, stepping down from Test cricket. In 2014, during Australia tour, Dhoni suddenly announced retirement from Test cricket. No drama, no long farewell, just a simple goodbye. That was his style. Graceful, controlled, respectful. The man behind the jersey. Outside cricket, Dhoni is simple, loves bike, loves army training, honorary lieutenant colonel, values privacy, keeps personal life away from media noise. He never chase attention, attention chase him. What we learned from 2011 and after. Big moments require courage. Leadership means stepping forward in crisis. Calm minds win big battles. Success and failure, both are temporary. Stay grounded no matter how you rise, how high you rise. But the story isn't finished yet. The last dance, the silence, the eternal legacy. Time changes everything. Young player grow up, new star rise, crowds find new heroes. But legend, they don't fade, they evolve. After winning every ICC trophy, after taking India to top of world cricket, Dhoni entered the final chapter of his international journey. And this chapter was not about trophies, it was about grace. The IPL empire, the rise of Thala. If international cricket made Dhoni a national hero, IPL made him immortal in Chennai. From 2008 onwards, he leads Chennai Super King CSK with one clear mindset: back your players, trust the process, stay calm. CSK become the most consistent franchise in IPL history. Multiple IPL times, multiple IPL titles, multiple finals, really missing playoff. Even when CSK was suspended for 2 years, 2016 to 17, fans didn't leave because they weren't just supporting a team, they were supporting Dhoni. When CSK returned in 2018, many said the team is old. Expert doubted them, Dhoni smiled, and then CSK won the IPL trophy in 2018. Silently proof again, experience noise. The 2019-11 World Cup. 2019 World Cup, the painful goodbye. 2019 World Cup in England, Dhoni was no longer the aggressive young finisher. He was experienced, slower, more calculated. The 2019 World Cup, the painful goodbyes. 2019 World Cup in England, Dhoni was no longer the aggressive young finisher. He was experienced, slower, more calculated. Critics began questioning, is Dhoni finished? Yeah, why he is playing slow? But cricket is not always about speed, it's about timing. In the semi final against New Zealand, India collapsed early. Once again, Dhoni walked in under pressure. He rebuilt the inning with Jadeja. Hope returned, then come the moment. Dhoni attempted a second run. Martin Guptill hits a direct throw, run out by inches. That run out didn't just end an inning, it's ended an era. Dhoni walked back quietly, no drama, no tears, just a slow walk. The whole stadium stood up because even opponents respected him. India lost, and after that match, Dhoni never played for India again. The silent retirement, 15 August 2020, 7:29 p.m. No press conference, no big fair match, no media circus, just an Instagram post with the caption, "Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout from 1929 hours. Consider me as a retired." That's it. Simple, powerful, emotional. That was Dhoni. He entered Dhoni without noise. He left cricket without noise. Legends don't need announcements. Their work speaks forever. The leadership blueprint. Dhoni greatness was not just trophies. It was its mindset, trust over fears. He trusted player in big moments. Joginder Sharma in 2007 promoted himself in 2011. Leadership is about responsibility, calmness under chaos. Whether winning or loss, his face really changed. When your leader is calm, your team becomes fearless. Process over result. He often said, control what you can control. He focused on preparation, not prediction. Ego free captain. When Virat Kohli became captain, Dhoni supported him fully. No jealousy, no insecurity. True leadership creates future leader. Dhoni beyond cricket. Even After retirement, Dhoni continued leading CSK, supports Indian Army activities, invests in businesses, lives a private, grounded life in Ranchi. He still rides his bikes, still stay away from unnecessary limelight. Fame changes his bank balance, not his personality. Why Dhoni indifferent from others? Many players are talented. Many captains win trophies. But Dhoni combine skill, strategy, physiology, psychology, simplicity. He understood that human behavior. He knew when to speak. He knew when to stay silent. When to stay silent. Sometimes silence is the strongest reply, but not the end. Even today, when Dhoni walks into a stadium for IPL, the noise is unreal. Young players who grew watching him now play under him. That's legacy. Legacy is not about number, it's about impact. What we must learn from MS Dhoni: stay calm when life gets tough, takes responsibility in big moments. Success should not change your humility. Failures are temporary. Character is permanent. Leadership is about lifting other. Conclusion: the boy from Ranchi. From a railway ticket collector to the most successful India captain, from long hair rebel to calm mastermind, from unknowing goalkeeper to World Cup finisher, MS Dhoni didn't just play cricket. He taught India how to handle pressure. And maybe that's why even after retirement, even after years, when someone say Captain Cool, there is only one name: Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The legacy that time cannot erase. Legends retire, but their influence never does. After 15th of August 2020, international cricket move on. New captains came, new finisher emerged, new heroes were celebrated, but one thing never changed. Whenever a match goes into the last over, whenever India needs calmness under pressure, whenever a young captain makes a bold decision, people still say, Dhoni hota to. That is legacy. The finisher, a role, a role he redefined before Dhoni. Finishing is about hitting big shots, but after Dhoni, finishing became calculating required run rate, taking the game deep, controlling singles and doubles, studying bowlers carefully, attacking at the perfect moments. He didn't panic at 20 needed of 10 balls. He believed if I stay till the end, we can win. That's belief transferred to fans. Even when India needed 15 of the last over, people relaxed. If Dhoni was at the crease, that kind of trust is rare. IPL 2021, IPL 2021, IPL 21, 23 proof that class is permanent. Many thought Dhoni's best days were over, but under his leadership, CSK won IPL 2021. CSK won IPL 2023. In 2023, he handed captaincy back to Ravindra Jadeja mid decisions when things were not working. No ego, only team first. CSK lifted the trophy again at 41 years old. Fitness may slow down, but brain, cricket never ages. Cricket brain never ages. The mental building the next generation. Dhoni didn't just win trophies, he shaped careers. Virat Kohli has publicly said Dhoni backed him when he was young. Rohit Sharma grew under his leadership. Ravindra Jadeja became a match winner. Ravichandra Ashwin developed under his captaincy. Even bowlers like Mohammad Sami, Jasprit Bumrah, Bhuvneshwar Kumar benefit from Dhoni guidance. A true leader success is seen in the success of others. The army connection, discipline beyond cricket. Dhoni always respected the Indian Army deeply. He received the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army. After 2019 World Cup, instead of jumping into media appearance, he spent time training with the army in Kashmir. This shows something powerful. Fame never distracted him from discipline. He always valued the nation above applause. Why Captain Cole was not just a nickname. Being calm is easy when winning, but Dhoni was calm when India lost badly overseas. Media criticized him, selection debates happen, fans question his batting. He rarely reacted publicly. He let performance answer in today's world of instant reaction and social media fights. Dhoni chose silence, and silence became his strength. The helicopter shot, more than a shot. That iconic helicopter shot wasn't just a stroke, it symbolized power from humble beginnings. He learned it from a local friends in Ranchi, Santosh Lal. Even after becoming a superstar, Dhoni never forget his roots. He often credited his friends and early coaches. Success didn't erase his past, it honored it. The numbers that tell the story. Let's look at some facts. 10,000 plus ODI runs, 90 plus test matches, 350 plus ODI, 3 ICC trophies as captain, one of the best wicket keepers in history, fastest stumping records, highest successful run chase as captain. But number alone don't explain Dhoni because his greatness was situational. He performed when stakes were highest. The Ranchi boy who stay grounded. Even after earning crores, when even after global fame, he chose to live in Ranchi, not Mumbai, not Delhi, not Hyderabad, not other city. He preferred peace over spotlight. He spent time farming, riding bikes, playing with dogs, living simply. That simplicity makes him relatable. Why fans still wait for his batting? Even today in IPL, when Dhoni walk out to bat, even if it's just for 5 balls, the stadium erupts. It's not about run anymore. It's about emotions. It's about memories. It's about gratitude because he gave fan moments they will tell their children about. The ultimate lesson from MS Dhoni. Stay calm when other panics. Take responsibilities when things go wrong. Don't let success enter your head. Trust your instincts. Back your team publicly, correct privately. Silence is stronger than arguments. Great leader creates more leaders. The final reflection from a small town boy to India's most successful captain, from ticket collector to World Cup finisher, from doubt to dominance. MS Dhoni proved one simple truth. You don't need noise to create impact. You need clarity, courage, and character. Cricket will move forward. New heroes will rise. But whenever someone talk about pressure, leadership, and finishing under fire, there will always be one name written in golden letters: Mahendra Singh Dhoni, forever Captain Cole. The art of handling pressure. Pressure breaks most people, but pressure built Dhoni. In cricket, pressure usually comes in three moments: when chasing a big target, when defending a small total, when the nation expects you to win. Dhoni faced all three repeatedly. But what made him different? He simplified pressure. He simplified pressure. While other calculated the crowd noise, he calculated the bowler plan. While other worried about headlines, he focused on the next ball. He once said, I don't mind repeating mistakes, but I don't want to repeat them because of fear. Fear never controlled him. That is why bowler fear him. Reading the game like chess. Dhoni treated cricket like chess. Every field placement had a reason. Every bowling change had logic. Every batting order shift had a strategy. He didn't captain emotionally. He captained scientifically. He studied batsman weaknesses. He observed body language. He noticed when pressure shifted, great captains reacts. Legendary captains predict. Dhoni predicted the transformation of India cricket future. Before Dhoni, India cricket relied heavily on a few superstars. Under Dhoni, the team became stronger than individual. He created a dressing room where senior and junior players felt equal. Mistakes were discussed calmly. Players were back long term. He removed fear of failure, and when fear leaves, performance increases. India started winning overseas more consistently. Young players began believing they belong on the world stage. Dhoni didn't just win matches, he changed mindset. Small town revolution. Dhoni came from Ranchi, not Mumbai or Delhi. After his success, selectors began looking beyond big cities. Suddenly, players from small town got attention. Talent mattered more than background. Today, stars from smaller cities walk confidently because Dhoni proved it's possible. He broke a silent barrier, criticism, doubt, the silent warrior. Every legend faced criticisms. Dhoni was no exception. There were phases when his strike rate was questioned. His place in the team was debated. Experts said he is finished. But Dhoni never gave long interviews defending himself. He didn't fight critics. He waited and then he finished matches. That was his reply. In a world addicted to explaining, Dhoni chose performing. Silence can be powerful when your results speak. The retirement debate in IPL. Every IPL season, one question appears: is this Dhoni last season? But he never confirmed early. Why? Because he focuses on the present tournament. He believes in play this match first, future can wait. Living in the present moment was his biggest mental strength. The human side of MS Dhoni. Behind the calm face was a deeply emotional human being. He valued leadership from childhood. He respected his coaches. He credited his teammates openly. When young players succeeded, he stood behind them. When they failed, he stood in front of them. That's protection. That's leadership. He rarely celebrated personal milestone widely, but he celebrated team's win with joy. Because for him, team self. Life after cricket, simplicity win. Post retirement, Dhoni spent time farming organically, invest in startups, promote sports development, stay away from controversies. He doesn't chase camera attention, he chooses peace. After living under constant spotlight for 15 plus years, he chose a quiet life that show maturity. The immortal legacy. Cricket will produce more aggressive players. It will produce more stylish batsmen. It may even produce captain with more runs. But producing another Dhoni almost impossible because Dhoni was not just skill. He was temperament. Temperament. He was timing. He was trust. He was transformation, the complete achievement. Let's summarize his greatness. 2007 T20 World Cup winner, 2011 ODI World Cup winner, 2013 Champions Trophy winner, number 1 Test team cricket, multiple IPL titles, one of the greatest finishers ever, one of the fastest wicket keepers ever. But beyond trophies, he gave India belief that we can win finals, belief that we can stay calm under pressure, belief that leadership doesn't require shouting. Final reflection, why Dhoni will never be forgotten. Years later, kids who never saw him play live will stay watch that 2011 6 on YouTube. Young captains will study his field placement. Finishing batsmen will analyze his chase strategies. And fans will still smile when hearing Dhoni finishes off in style, because some moments are not just sports history, they are national memories. The final lessons from the entire journey: stay grounded no matter how high you rise. Pressure is an important in disguise. Trust your instincts. Leadership is service, not power. Silence can defeat noise. Consistency beats hype. True greatness is calm under shouts. From Ranchi to the world, from railway platform to World Cup podium, MS Dhoni journey proves you don't need a perfect beginning, you need unstoppable belief, and that is why he will always be remembered as Captain Cool. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you love real stories, success stories that teaches money, mindset and life lessons, to subscribe to the channel, like this story and share it with at least one friend, because one good story can change thinking and one right thinking can change a whole life. I hope you understand, and please support us, and do favor, just forward this story to one of your friends, at least one friend, and subscribe to this channel and like this story.